Hi everyone, we'd like to present our tutorial. Okay, now I have to maximize the browser and adjust the size. Okay, should be fine. Okay, from the left side we have IDE, and we have already here implemented controller for the parking tutorial. You can see this file here. Here you can see all the ports that we have, the interface, then subcomponents and connectors. From the right hand side you can see the tutorial, which has this nice picture and all description, and then especially for the presentation purposes added the solution here directly, that you can see the solution with description. Then we can go back to the tutorial, and then it works in the way that we have to implement the controller here, then read these files from the IDE, pack it, send to the server, then server should process this data and send back already compiled WebAssembly controller. And then we go to our simulator. You can see here the simulator and the trajectory builder. The simulator already waiting for simulation, and we can see here cars, two cars here, and the place between them. Okay, let's start our simulation. Okay, the car just find the place and then start parking process. Okay, you can see how it smoothly all the stuff works. I can just reset the simulator and we can see it from another angle, for example from here. Would be nice to see it. And okay, again start. Okay, find the place and park. Okay, really nice, really smoothly. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.